This is the TSLA one-day reading for October 18th, 2024. It's currently September 19th, 2024, 9:26 p.m. Eastern Time. TSLA at the time of this reading, $243.92 USD. The shuffle video for the October 18th reading was created on August 4th, 2024 at 5:49 p.m. Eastern Time. In this video, we're going to go over the overall trend direction for the day. We're going to talk about the chart behavior around the day's highest high and the chart behavior around the day's lowest low, as well as the general timing down to roughly about an hour as far as where they are throughout the day. And then we're going to get into where the best trades are and the chart behavior by the hour, basically. You have to give it plus or minus an hour here or there of wiggle room, and not in all readings, in a few readings here or there, but always pay attention to the sequence of events because that will keep you on track if we are plus or minus a little bit here or there on the timing. So the overall theme of behavior, we have our near overbought crest that we sell off, run through multiple support levels. Behavior around the high, there's a pretty notable move into the high, but it's counteracted with some sort of chart behavior. Behavior around the lowest low, we have sideways rotation along the low. There's a good cash out opportunity here. I'm advised to trade around an important technical price level on a multi-day scale. So in the pre-market, we open lower. Out of that lower opening, rally in the pre-market, but that rally is halted at a near overbought crest, and we sell off from that crest through multiple support levels into a low around the open with that sideways rotation. Sideways rotation then turns into a fast sudden move higher, taking us to an important price level around 10 o'clock. Yeah, so there's trade opportunity here at the morning low. I'll talk about it in the monthly access version. So a lot of price change. We move to the downside from that important price level. We either do sideways rotation from 10 o'clock into another peak after 11, or we have this sharp drop to the downside from that peak at 10 o'clock, and then we rally back to a peak just after 11. Either way, the peak just after 11, a lot of decline to the downside there, pretty notable on a one-day chart, continuing into probably a low there between 1 and 2. Either way, there's a rally into a high in like the 2 to 3 o'clock hour. Pretty notable move to the downside in that last hour. Could probably do a day trade there in the last hour, a short day trade. Either way, you could hold that. Yeah, I would close out of a long here, and then there's opportunity for like a short scalp in the last hour. So I close a short at the open, could open up a long there, close the long at this important price level here, just after 10. You could open up a partial short there, close the short here between roughly 1 and 2 before this pop and drop. If you miss closing the short there, don't get scared out with this pop. You might even add to the short if you miss it, the opportunity, add to the short and close out of it in like at the close or around the close. I'd close out of it here if possible, and then this move to the upside to a high. If we see a high for the day here between 2 and 3, I would open up a short there and close the short probably at the close. If not, then there's probably opportunity here right at the open to close a short. That's TSLA for October 18th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.